Welcome to Daily Home Cooking. If you like our content, subscribe to our channel. Carrot is tasty and highly nutritious. It contains vitamin A, potassium and antioxidants. It is also a weight loss friendly food. For making carrot juice, you have to cut carrot into small pieces or grate it as I have done. Then you need some cold water, milk and sugar. I am adding 2 elachi or cardamom as it gives extra flavor and taste to the juice. Elachi also has antioxidants and promotes weight loss. I am taking a juicer jar, adding 2 cardamoms to it. Now I am going to add the grated carrot, adding little cold milk, adding natu sakrai. I am using natu sakrai because it is good compared to white sugar. If you don't have natu sakrai at home, you can also add white sugar to it. Adding some cold water. Now I am going to make juice. Once you are done, filter it using a strainer. And the juice is ready. Serve it cold.